How do you make a quarter circle here in Figma? So you can actually do this without even editing any of the anchor points. We just need to create a circle for starters. O is the shortcut key for the ellipse tool. You'll find that under the rectangle tool. Click on the down arrow, ellipse tool. Let's draw an ellipse out here, and instead of making it skewed, we're going to hold shift and make sure it's a circle and let go. Now, when you hover over this, you actually see this little dot right here. This is the arc of the circle, which allows you to make some adjustments. You can click and drag on this to basically sweep this around. And so there's a 3/4 circle, there's a half circle, and here is a quarter circle. You can feel it lock into each of these percentages. You can actually even see this percentage over here in the design tab. So just in case you were off by a little point here, -25% would get you to that quarter circle. This is pretty cool. You can even rotate this quarter circle around. So maybe I don't want it to be the upper right corner. I want it to be the lower right. I can click on this guy to then drag this around. This is the start point of the arc. So we can drag this quarter circle around to wherever we want. We can even bring in the center point of this. So we have this ratio, and we can click and drag that to bring in this. So you could create a quarter circle that is more like an arc shape, like this. So there's a lot of options here with these different handles on this circle. We can even drag this way to create a 3/4 circle in the other direction. So that's a pretty cool little option here to if you want like that sort of shape. Now this quarter circle, you can still exit out of this and double click on it to edit the anchor points, and you can see all these anchor points it has in here. However, I would say just leaving it as is and using these handles that are within the ellipse tool itself is really helpful to create the type of circle that you want to create here in Figma.